Everybody, Elizabeth Carter from Golden Horseshoe here. It is Rider Safety Week, and today we are going to be talking about stirrups. First and foremost, whether you are riding English or Western, always wear a boot that has a heel. The reason for that is that while you are riding, that heel should be behind the stirrup. If for some reason you were to slip and your foot were to slide forward, that heel is going to keep your foot from sliding all the way through on that stirrup. So again, highly recommend that you always ride in boots that have a heel. That is the first way to prevent an accident. Now, there are some products out there that will help in case the worst does happen. So first and foremost, we're gonna look at the classic peacock stirrup. If you are competing, please make note that there have been some rule changes involving this style of stirrup, so just be aware of that. But if you are not competing in English disciplines and shows and things like that, then this is a great option for you. What this is it has a little hook up at the top and a little pin down here at the bottom, and this is a stretchy material, but not very stretchy. So the thought process behind this design is that if you were to get caught, then under extreme pressure, that should be able to snap off or fall off, and your foot would be released. Again, it has to be immense pressure. You are in an emergency situation at that point. But the great thing about these is that if this were to snap or break or whatever the case may be, this is very easily replaceable. We have these in stock. We also do have the rings, and in case you've lost your little leather piece, we have those as well. So if you are a fan of peacock stirrups, they've been around for a long time. They're tried and true, but again, if you are competing, check your rule book, check all of that to make sure that you're still in compliance. Now, the new style of safety stirrup we have here in stock is the Horseshoe brand safety stirrup. There's a couple others out on the market, but this is the one that we really like here at Golden Horseshoe. It comes in a lot of different color options, so if you want to dress up your stirrups, this little black piece right in here can actually be changed out for different colors. We can order that for you. If your foot were to get stuck in here, there is a hinge, and that should hinge out and allow your leg or foot to escape. So that is the safety stirrup there. Again, based on where the hinge is on this stirrup, make sure that if you are competing, that this is compliant for your discipline. But again, if you are looking for a newer, lighter weight stirrup that has a lot of grip and has something that's not going to degrade over time, like that rubber